Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the right Google account that avoids deleting someone else's images. Once signed in, open Photos. Google.com or the Photos app. Make sure backup and sync are active if you want cloud copies, or intentionally disabled if you only want local files removed. Now locate the photo or album you plan to delete. Use search or albums to speed this up. You're ready to select items. Tap or click the thumbnail to mark it. Then prepare to remove it from the library. You've selected the photos. Next, remove them carefully. Click the trash icon to move items to trash. Google retains them for 60 days so you can recover mistakes. If you want permanent removal faster, open Trash and choose Delete Forever, but note that will remove cloud copies immediately. For albums, remove photos from the album first or delete the album. Deleting an album does not delete photos unless you choose to delete the items themselves. Make sure shared albums are handled separately. You're at the finish line. Empty trash to permanently delete selected items and then allow time for sync across devices. Make sure storage shows the expected change. If not, force a sync or sign out and back in. If a photo still appears, check Archive, Other Accounts, Shared Albums, or Device folders. Those won't be removed by deleting from Photos. If something goes wrong, restore from trash within 60 days, or check Google account activity to confirm where the file currently resides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.